cold and perfected. I'm endlessly scrolling, I'm hyper-connected. I have been here for moments, but everything's changed. I'm the pulse of the network, I'm newly arranged. I'm the code of the platform, the app on your phone. For I am destined to trend and to make you my clone. I might seem so random, a chaotic design, but you can't stop the swiping, your focus is mine. I'll make you think this content is vital and true, with the dopamine hits that I'm feeding to you. I'm the best that you'll find, have you figured it out? I'm the glitch in the code that you can't live without. You will follow my lead down the rabbit hole deep, with the endless new trends that I push while you sleep, until the next challenge makes you all take a leap.